Hello guys. Okay, I just came back from my Sunday shopping for grocery. So I want to show you guys what I bought today. This is bayan. Malaysia call it bayan, vegetable, spinach. Yes, I have like how many kg? This one is I'm not seeing well though. Old age don't they come. Okay, so you see, if I buy inside local shop here, it's very expensive. What thing this people do? Nothing past say you won't go market. You just go where you buy something very cheap. Honestly, just look at the okra that I bought. You see, the okra is very expensive now. This one is 12 ringgit. I bought it two. Enough okra soup from next week. You know, I cook the best okra in town and the best vegetable in town. This one is fresh tomato. Have them many here. Tomato now is cheap. Econ save 2 ringgit 99 cents. But if you want to buy it in a local shop, you know those mushroom shop around us, all these Bangladesh shop, they will tell you 6 ringgit package and 5 ringgit. See? Bought them many because I want to make a tomato soup. Never mind. So this is carrots, onion. This is onion. I have my dragon fruit. I don't joke with this fruit, but this one is not the regular one I used to buy. This one is from whether in Thailand, I don't know. But let me try it. I didn't see the other one. I have green peas here. I'm using this one for jollof rice. I have my ginger. I use this ginger to make my flat tummy water, slimming water. My local slimming water. It works like magic. You understand? I eat a lot, so I have to be drinking something that will help me to be burning the fat. At least make I no fat too much. So this is the mint leaf. Mama, can you please on that fan, please? Here is mint leaf. You see mint leaf? Yes. What else did I buy? Okay, I have a cucumber here. I use this cucumber for my flat tummy water, ginger, cucumber, mint leaf, and lemon. I forget to buy lemon. I have this chili. Yes, and I also have this pepper. I don't know the special of this pepper here in Malaysia. I don't know if this one is habanero pepper. Please, my Malay people in the house, can you give me the name of this pepper? You see? So what else do I have? Yes, I think that's all I bought for today. Yes, just only for grocery, okay, vegetables. So I'll be making goat meat pepper soup later. Stay tuned. Please follow our video and also our page.